What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be working on the drift car. So I got some parts and pieces coming in. I got the new rack and pinion bushings. I'm gonna be doing that today. Hopefully in a couple days I'll have all the stuff for the power steering lines, and then I think it's mostly mechanically sound from that point. So I don't know, we'll see. We're working on it. We're trying to make it. We got about 5 days. The Piedmont drift thing is on Saturday. Today is Monday, so I should be okay. I don't know, we'll see. But I think now, technically, I probably meet the definition of a salvage yard. I'm got my little driveway. It is full, and I'll probably be getting a letter from my HOA soon, since they don't particularly like jack stands and cardboard, and the door is open. We've been trying to air out this thing for the last couple days. And so every chance I get with the sun open, the doors are open, and we're trying to dry it out on the inside. We're probably going to end up taking all the carpet and stuff out at some point. But right now, I mean, it is what it is. We're just dealing with it. So let's get these bushings on. I got the rack bushings. Amazon is your friend. So a nice little set of rack bushings. But check this out. Okay, so next up on this thing, it is Friday now, and I've been working on this thing pretty much all week. So I did get the power steering hoses changed, and it is way down there. Very, very, very difficult to get to on that side. This other side wasn't too bad. Let's put a new PCV valve on it. The grommet is broken that I just got. I broke it trying to push it down in there, so I gotta go get another one. Hopefully they got one. If not, it'll be okay. This thing has been fighting me like crazy for the entire week. So my new brake or window switch came. The window is working like it should, which is awesome. Watch, it probably won't ever go back up. Maybe I should stop playing with it so that it doesn't break again. This door panel had to come off because the mechanism that attaches here come loose. So I had to order some of these clips, which are pretty easy to put on. So I'm about to do that now. So I ordered a few extra. They were like $10 on Amazon. So you got left ones and right, 5 of each. So now I've got a supply of those. So we're fixing to put those on. I've got to take that driver's side front wheel off and take it to the tire shop and see why it's leaking air. Down underneath, I just changed the oil. Oh, this is what I had to do for my socket to get to the bolt up here on top. I had to cut it in half because there was no room. So that was fun. I am going to make a skid plate out of the bottom. You see I've got this thing marked. I'm gonna put some oil dry material on it just so that if it does develop any other oil leaks, it will be able to absorb that stuff. Got some pig mat I'm gonna put on it. I gotta go get a battery hold down, which this one was custom the way it was done. So I'll probably have to drill a hole down here somewhere. There's a hole over here on this side. But overall, I mean, I don't know, we'll see. I hadn't taken it for a ride other than when I drove it home. So I've got a few things to do to it. Of course, it's Valentine's Day, so I don't have much time. But I think it's gonna be okay. I've got a couple hours worth of work to do to it tonight. Then I gotta roll to Brian's house and I gotta kick the Mustang out of the trailer. So the Mustang's getting kicked out of the trailer. Well, this is a first. We're about to push the race car out the trailer, and it's gonna stay outside all night. I hope it doesn't get too mad, but we're going drifting. And I'm going to bring the trailer home, load this thing up, Now, of course, my trailer is very narrow, and you can see my doors come off on the race car, the Mustang. So I'm gonna be climbing out that window in the trailer. But it is what it is. It's okay. Hopefully I can get out. If not, I'll get my son to, well, no, he's not old enough to drive it. He would definitely crash it. That would be bad. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay, hopefully going to the drift event at Piedmont. So that's our goal. So hopefully I can do some drifting. I don't know. It looks fun. I don't know if it's going to work out good for me or not, but we're going to try. We're going to have a blast. All right, guys, stay tuned. Next video after this one will be me doing some drifting or spinning out or not drifting and doing circles or donuts. Something. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to have a blast. It's going to be fun. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see y'all next time. Thanks.